Good evening, students. Today's topic is important institutions of physical education in India. Second most important institution in this field is SAI or Sports Authority of India. The Sports Authority of India originated with the committee formed to host the 1982 Asian Games in New Delhi. On 25th January 1984, Sports Authority of India was established as the registered society by the Department of Sports of Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. On the 1st May 1987, the Society for National Institute of Physical Education and Sports was merged with Sports Authority of India, and as a result, the Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports at Patiala and its allied centered at Bhopal, Bangalore, Calcutta, Gandhinagar, and Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education at Thiruvananthapuram also come under Sports Authority of India. The Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports at Patiala and the Lakshmi Bai National University of Physical Education at Thiruvananthapuram become its academic wings. In 1995, Lakshmi Bai National University of Physical Education at Gwalior become a separate deemed university. SAI has run so many academic programs. In fact, SAI has got two academic wings, namely Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports, Patiala for coaches, and the Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education (LNCPE) at Thiruvananthapuram. They run MSc in Sports Coaching, Postgraduate Diploma in Sports Medicine, Diploma in Sports Coaching, Diploma in Integrated Sports Massage, 6-week certificate course in sports coaching, Coach Development Program, IOC Solidarity course in sports, advanced course for the service coaches, refresher courses in sports coaching, sports massage course, and ground management course also run by SAI. SAI has so many regional centers, and these are Netaji Subhash Regional Center Chandigarh, Netaji Subhash Regional Center Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Chaudhry Devi Lal Northern Regional Center Sonipat, Haryana, Netaji Subhash Northeast Regional Center Guwahati, Assam, Netaji Subhash Northeast Regional Center Imphal, Manipur, Netaji Subhash Eastern Center Calcutta, West Bengal, Uddhav Das Mehta Bhaiji Central Center Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Netaji Subhash Southern Center Bangalore, Karnataka, SAI Regional Center Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Netaji Subhash Western Center Gandhinagar, Gujarat. So these all are the regional centers of SAI. Now come to the aim and objective of SAI. To promote and broad-base sports in country, to implement scheme program for achieving excellence in sports in different disciplines at international level in order to establish India as a major sports power, to maintain and utilize on the behalf of government stadia which were constructed or renovated for the 9th Asian Games in 1982, to act as an interface between the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and other agencies concerned with the promotion or development of sports in the country, on the other hand, such as state government, IOA, National Sports Federation, Sports Control Board, industrial houses, etc. To establish, run, manage, and administer the institutions to produce high caliber coaches, sports scientists, and physical education teachers. To plan, construct, acquire, develop, take over, manage, maintain, and utilize sports infrastructure and facilities in the country. To initiate, undertake, sponsor, stimulate, and encourage research projects related to various sports science for upgradation of sports, sportsperson, and coaches. Other incidental issues concerning promotion, development, and excellence in sports. Apart from this scheme, so many schemes run by SAI, and these are exploration of sports talent in and nutrition to provide sports scholarship, organization of national sports talent competitions, national physical health scheme, and progress of indigenous games and martial art. Thank you, boys.